Dear students, in this video, I will explaining you about the seeding fixture procedure in knockout tournament. We follow the seeding process in knockout tournament to provide opportunity to the best team on their previous performance. In this type of tournament, the seeding teams are not play in preliminary round. They start playing from special round like as second round, pre-quarter final round or quarter final round. Seeding fixture procedure. Seeding is the process of placing the good teams at beneficiary places. It is the process of playing in which some teams of the last year's performance are given seeding. The seeded teams are not play in preliminary round, they start play from second or special round like pre-quarter final round or quarter final round. It is depend upon the organizer who set the matches between the teams. There are some of the essential points of seeding method to avoid strong team competing with each other in initial round. Strong teams based on their previous performance are selected to keep at appropriate places. Generally, the seeded teams are in the power of 2, like as 4, 8, 16, etc. First seed is kept on the top of the upper half. Second seed is kept on the bottom of the lower half. Third seed is kept on the bottom of the upper half. Fourth seed is kept on the top of the lower half, and so on. Remaining teams are kept in the fixture by lots. Here we take an example of 12 teams. Before drawing the knockout fixture, we do the sum of the calculation according to the knockout rules. First we write the total number of team. Here the total number of team is 12. Then we calculate the total number of matches. Here the total number of matches is 11. Then we divide the teams in upper half and lower half. In upper half there is a 16. In lower half there is a 16 also. Here the total number of team is in even number. So we equally divide the teams in upper half and lower half. Then we calculate the total number of rounds. The total number of rounds is depend upon the nearest power of 2 with representing team. Here the total number of rounds is 4 because here the 2 per power is 4. Here we provide 4 seeded by to the teams. 2 seeded by given to upper half of the team and 2 seeded by given to the lower half of the team. Here the seeded teams are 4. After doing the calculation process, we draw the knockout fixture of 12 teams. First we enlist the total number of teams in ascending order. Then we divide the teams in upper half and lower half. Then we place the seeded by to the teams. First seeded by is given to the first team of upper half. Second seeded by is given to the last team of lower half. Third seeded by is given to the last team of upper half. Fourth seeded by is given to the first team of lower half. Here the total number of teams is 12 and 4 teams are seeded to second round. We exclude the seeded team from total number of teams because these four teams are not play in preliminary round. In seeding tournament, there is necessary we must check the how many teams are playing in first round and teams are in power of 2 or not. If the teams are not in power of 2, first we keep the teams in power of 2s. Here the 8 teams are playing in first round. The total number of teams are in power of 2, so there is no requirement of bye given to the teams. Here the match between 2 and 3 and 2 becomes winner and enter into the second round. Here the match between 4 and 5 become winner and enter into the second round. The match between 8 and 8 become winner and enter into the second round. The match between 10 and 11. 11 is a winner and enter into the second round. In second round, the seeded teams meet with the winners of the first round. In second round, the match between 1 and 2 and 1 become the winner of the second round and enter into the third round. The match between 5 and 6, 5 become winner and enter into the third round. The match between 7 and 8, 7 is a winner and enter into the third round. The match between 11 and 12, 12 become winner and enter into the third round. In third round, the match between 1 and 5, 7 and 12. The match between 1 and 5, 5 becomes winner and enter into the fourth round. The match between 7 and 12, 7 becomes winner and enter into the fourth round. Finally, the two winners meet with each other in fourth round. There is a match between 5 and 7 is the winner of the tournament.